There comes a moment in every healing journey when grief asks to be witnessed, not analyzed, not erased, just held and then released. The Grief Ritual Kit was created to help you honor that moment. It's a ceremony of release, a way to give form to what the heart carries and the mind repeats. Because what is written can be burned, and what is burned can be transformed. This isn't about forgetting. It's about transforming the weight of a memory into a lighter, more peaceful part of your story. It's about giving your pain a sacred space to be seen, heard, and finally set free. By externalizing the internal struggle, you create the first step toward true healing. To begin the ritual, find a place of stillness. Light a candle, letting its flame be a beacon in the quiet. Place your hand on your heart and feel its rhythm. Breathe in the weight of what you're ready to let go of. Take your paper and write their name, or the moment, or the pain, whatever needs a voice. Let the words flow without judgment. Then when you're ready, safely burn the page. Watch the smoke rise, and as it does, whisper to yourself, "I release you with love." This isn't an act of anger, but one of gentle liberation. Symbolic release rituals like this are backed by science. Researchers have found that performing small acts of symbolic disposal like burning, burying, or washing away helps the brain close emotional loops. Your nervous system interprets these tangible actions as completion. It's the closure you deserve, even when the right words were never spoken or you never got the apology you needed. This physical act sends a powerful signal to your mind that the chapter is ending, allowing you to move forward. After the ritual, take a deep cleansing breath. Gently stretch your body. Drink a glass of water. You've just done something powerful, not just emotionally, but biologically. You've shown your body and your nervous system that grief can move, that it doesn't have to stay stuck, and that you can survive the release. This is how we teach ourselves resilience, one small, intentional act at a time. You are stronger than the sorrow you carry. In the next episode, in the next episode, in the next episode, in the next episode, in the next, we'll explore the Solstice Ritual Kit and how cyclical rituals help us mark the passage of time and our healing. Subscribe to continue the healing journey with us. You can find the Grief Ritual Kit and the complete healing bundle on our website. Thank you for being here. Let it go with grace.